3 men infected with COVID-19 have died in the past 24 hours in Manipur. According to COVID-19 Command Control Room, the 3 men, a 76-year-old, a 28-year-old, and a 68-year-old, succumbed to the contagion. The Laimapopam Primary Health Center PHC under Namwal has been sealed after 4 of its doctor and 1 nurse were tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. According to our Bishnupur correspondent, the patients have been shifted to different COVID care centers. Sources said the number of positive cases among the employees of the health center may go up. In the last 24 hours, Nonay district reported 4 COVID-19 cases. Among them, 2 are personnel of Nonay police station, while 2 are personnel of 44 Assam Rifles COB, Khongsang and Nungba COB. They have travel history to Umroi in Meghalaya. For the last 2 weeks, the growth in active cases of novel coronavirus in the country has been dropping at a fast rate. This happens when the recoveries and deaths rise at a rapid pace, a media report said today. Since deaths form only a small part, just about 2% of all the confirmed cases, the decline in growth rate of active cases can primarily be attributed to the rise in recoveries. While the total number of infections in the country is now more than 20.88 lakhs, only about 6.19 lakh of these are currently sick. The rest have recovered, while a small number, about 2%, have died. Dozens of local residents rushed to the airport in Kerala's Kozhikode yesterday as they heard a terrible thud after the Air India Express plane overshot the tabletop runway at the airport and fell into a valley 35 feet below. 19 people were killed and more than 100 injured when the flight, which was coming in from Dubai with 190 people on board, overshot the tabletop runway while landing in heavy rains, fell into the valley and broke into 2, according to a media report. Captain Deepak Sathi, the pilot in command, and his co-pilot Akhilesh Kumar were among those who died. Athokpam Apunba Clubs Committee (AACC), an umbrella body of 7 local clubs in Athokpam area under Thoubal district, has sought immediate attention of the authority over the constant rise in COVID-19 positive cases in Thoubal district on a daily basis. Expressing grave concern over the development, AACC convener Akoijam Jiten urged the higher authority to detect the causes of the spread of coronavirus among people who have no travel history. He also demanded the authority to check the quality of PPEs provided to the doctors and staff at Thoubal District Hospital, as the number of positive cases is on the rise among health workers in the hospital. Lamlai Block Congress Committee today distributed edibles to 43 households under containment zones of Lamlai constituency. The aid was extended under the guidance of MPCC co-opted member Achoibam Devin. A sanitization drive was also organized at various locations of Lamlai constituency. India has formed an expert committee comprising representatives from all relevant ministries and institutions to oversee all aspects of its COVID-19 vaccine plan, from identification of the vaccine to buying, to financing the purchase, to distribution and administration. A move that comes even as 6 vaccines are in phase 3 or combined 2-3 trials, and as countries around the world scramble to strike deals with multiple vaccine makers, a media report said.